Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Capital letters. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. H for hat. I for ink. J for juice. K for king. L for leaf. M for man. N for neck. O for ocean. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sun. T for cap. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for water. X for box. Y for yellow. Z for zebra. Friends, like, share and subscribe.